Hi guys, welcome to Threshing 7. Today I've got a little tip for you on how to make labels from recycled items. Now, if you've got a cup and some plastic butter knives, then you can create labels for your garden. I'm going to try to flip the camera. And I cannot flip it. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna put the camera in a, let me see, hopefully you guys can see what I'm about to do. Okay, so what you do is you just take your cup and cut strips all the way through. All the way through. You get the idea. So you go all the way through, and then see, there's the cup. Hey, you can even use this as a scooper. But anyways, this works really good too, like with this one's kind of rigid on the inside, but what I found works the best are going to be like your yogurt containers, or containers that have a real smooth inside. So with this, you would just write your the plant that you're planting. In this case, I just put onions, or what have you. But this kind of gives you an idea. I'm about to plant some seeds out there. See, this one says dill. You can even write on the back too if you'd like. See that? And then I found that these work really well too. Like if you have plastic knives, and it's a great way to recycle oregano. Now I put a little arrow so that because I'm fixing to plant some stuff in a round pot, and I'm gonna put plenty of herbs, and so I'll put the little arrows so I know which way or where the little seeds are gonna plant or gonna grow. But anyhow, so there you have it. Quick hack on how to make some garden labels with items that you may already have in the house. And they're plastic, so they're going to be durable. Again, the best thing to use is actually going to be like a yogurt cup, or things like that. Whew. Hair's a little crazy. All right, God bless you guys, and we'll see you next time.